To add a calendar widget to the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, you're going to start by long pressing on an empty space to access editing mode. From here, you're going to tap on Widgets, and you're going to scroll through the available options and select the app Calendar. From here, choose a style that suits your preferences, and go ahead and select it and tap on Add. Next, if you want to move the widget around, you're going to long press on the widget and drag it to whatever position you wish. You can even drag it across home screen pages, and when you're happy with the position, just let go of the screen. If you want to change the size of the widget, you're going to long press on it, and you're going to use the handles that appear to customize the size. Bear in mind this won't be available for all of the widgets that are currently available, only a select few. So if you don't see the handles that allow you to change the size, it's because that widget doesn't allow it. From here, once you're happy with how it looks like, you can just tap on an empty space. If you want to go a step further to customize the widget, you're going to long press on it, and in the pop-up that appears, you're going to select Settings. From here, you'll need to allow the widget to access your calendar, so just agree to that. And then you can tap on Calendars to show, and you can choose a specific calendar that you want to show. So it can be a calendar that is the same as the app, or you can tap on Custom and choose exactly what it is you want to customize whenever it comes to the calendar being shown on your home screen. Then you can tap on the back button. You can choose to customize the background, the opacity, and even the colors of the widget. When you're happy with the changes that have been made, simply tap on Save to apply them to the widget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.